XSEED English Grade 4 Block number 4 Personal Narrative Lesson Plan 2 Character Voice. Students will be able to identify character voice in a first person narrative. Today, we are going to find the most repeated word in the first paragraph of the torch story and Ghungroos dancing and fun story. The word I is the most repeated word in Ghungroos dancing and fun. It shows that the character in the story is telling you the story. In the torch, the word he is most repeated. This is because a narrator is telling the story about Dr. Ganesha. If Dr. Ganesha were telling the story, we would see the word I repeated a lot. Today, we will read Ghungroos dancing and fun again, then retell it by playing a story tag. Open to page number 33 of your content book. Every Tuesday, Mum walks with her to the old bungalow down the street for her dance class. From the gate itself, she heard the Ghungroos moving to the rhythm, and her teacher's sweet voice floating through the air. She is learning a dance form called Bharatnatyam. She have been taking classes for 2 years now. She wear Mum's old sari stitched into a dance costume with Ghungroos on her ankles for rhythm. When her mum tied the Ghungroos around her ankles at her first Bharatnatyam class, she suddenly found that she could not move at all. They were so heavy. Now students, did you notice a difference about the way we retold the story and the way the story is written? Yes, when we retold the story, we used she and her for I and me. It was then no longer a first person narrative. In the torch, the words he and she tell us that somebody else is telling us about what happened with the main character. In Ghungroos dancing and fun, the word I is used. When the main character tells the story is said to be in first person. We don't know the name of the character because she is talking about herself. The main characters of the torch are Dr. Ganesha and Maya. We know this because someone else is telling us about them. Words like me, my, myself and mine tell us that the story is told in first person. He, him, his, himself, she, her and herself are some words we can use to change it from being first person narrative. Now open your volume 1, page number 27. Let's complete it. Read the story, underline the words that shows that the story is written in the first person narrative. Hello, my name is Anushka. I study in grade 4 at Oxford Public School in Bangalore. I love to swim. I do it very well. Here students, can you tell the first person narrative words? Yes, my, I study, I love to swim, I do it very well. I is the first narrative and my is the first narrative. During the last swimming competition held at school, I won all the events I participated in. Due to this, I was selected to represent my school at the inter-school competitions. My physical education teacher and parents were proud of my performance. However, one day when I jumped into the pool, I hurt my ankle on the boat. Doctor said that I would not be able to swim for a month and needed to take a rest. It's been 29 days now and I can't wait to get back to swim. Here, the words I won all the events, I participated, I was selected, my school, my physical education teacher, I jumped, I hurt, I would not be able to, I can't wait, all the I and my words are first person narrative. You can see all the first person narrative words in this picture. I have underlined it. Change the underlined words in the first person narrative so that it sounds as if somebody else is telling Anushka's story. Hello, I am Sarah and I am going to tell you about my best friend Anushka. She studies in grade 4 at Oxford Public School. She loves to swim and she does it very well. During the last swimming competition held in school, she won all the events she participated in. Due to this, she was selected to represent the school at inter-school competitions. Her physical education teacher and her parents were proud of her performances. But one day, when she jumped into the pool, she hurt her ankle on the boat. The doctor told her that she would not be able to swim for a month and needed to take rest. It's been 29 days now and she can't wait to get back to swimming. If you need more worksheets regarding, comment me on the comment section.